News of a police chase on I-270.
We go now to Fox 2's Sean Conroy, who's live in Skyfox. And Sean, we understand this may have possibly have started after a shooting. What can you tell us?
Yeah, shooting in Frontenac, Sandy. Best we can tell, he's headed now. We can definitely tell he's headed eastbound on 40 at a very fast clip. That white Suburban we're following. Several police officers in chase, basically coming near Frontenac, where this all began, near Lindbergh on eastbound 40. About 100 miles an hour, we're told right now. This white Suburban is flying on eastbound 40. This all apparently happened on Bop Road in Frontenac with a shooting. This chase went out west, off the road. Ooh, you can see as well as we can. He's been ejected from the car. A horrible crash. That is about probably near Clayton Road.
Sean, just unbelievable video. This is amazing. What can you tell us